Is it harder than the real bike? Alright, we're gonna do a really quick intro because Drew's holding on to the bike. So we've been really bored this winter. There's been no snow, and so we have the pit bikes. We all have pit bikes, and we decided to buy one of these snow bike kits. This is a Timbersled kit, and I don't know. It's we have to buy all the cool stuff we can find. So we're gonna put this kit on this 110, and then we're gonna go ride them all. We have some CRFs. We've got a bunch more. We've got like 4 or 5 of these things. We're gonna go rip them at our friend's house tomorrow. He's got a really cool track, so let's jump into it. Got the track on for the most part. Jared showed up. We're gonna go do some ripping here in a little bit. And all we gotta do is put this plastic cover on the back. After we tighten the bolts, I suppose we should do that first. Okay, you got the chain all on, looking good on this side. Now we'll get to the front. All right, so we got the back on. We're gonna give her a quick try, Drew. Fire this thing up, see how it, oh yeah. Throw in gear, Daniel. I don't know. I think it's gonna go. This track's actually pretty meaty looking.
Yeah,
it's gonna be.
It looks like it's ready for timeout. Like literally. All right, the back is done. Let's move on to the front.
Yeah, let's get this thing done. We're on a daylight. We're gonna be riding headlights here in a minute. We are so proud of ourselves. All we have left is one extra bolt. So if you've built one of these at home, let us know what we forgot. So yeah, front's on, back's on. We're gonna get our snow gear on, run daylight. But they just opened the snowmobile trails, which is super cool. So we have a section of trail that comes to the shop here that it's like our section, so we're gonna run it. That's pretty good for a 10.
You were going about 21, 22. That thing is awesome. And it turns so hard.
It rips.
It literally rips. You can turn it probably 4th gear pin.
Yeah, you're like pretty much laid over the corner. Woo! Dude.
This thing gets loose as heck.
It's so icy underneath. There's no traction.
No, there's none.
Alright, so we're gonna ride today. Adam's house. We got the pit bike done last night. Got the track on it. Last night it was like 9 degrees out, and then today it's like 45, so it's perfect. Although we're losing all of our snow. Adam's got a really cool pit bike track that we all ride in the summer. We got a bunch of Honda CRFs, and then Jared just showed up. He's got his KX in the back, so we'll get these things unloading, and we're gonna have a good day. Nobody said we were running race gas today, Mark.
Always.
My goodness, I'm following you. You got that in here too, Danny?
Oh yeah. Look at this hydro clutch.
This is the one that just got all the works done too, right?
Oh yeah.
And oh geez, Magura?
We have hydraulic clutch, big high compression piston, big cam, ported, polished, big intake, big throttle body, tuned for everything, and race gas.
I'm not sure Mark's gonna be okay with that. Mark and Danny are brothers, and they're both mega fast, and they don't like when one is faster than the other one. So that's gonna be fun. Giving Braxton's first try at it, because we're probably gonna break it here in a little bit. So Braxton's gonna ride it around. He's 11. You're not gonna steer it, you're just gonna lean it. Yeah, so go, give it a try. Got a good old battle going here for the Fortners. Hey, what's up, Drew? How are you?
Hey,
good, man.
Can't pull the clutch in. My arms are so pumped.
You know, race season's only in like a couple of months. Like, we need to get our act together here a little bit. Keep going, dude. There you go. I probably could have helped you out with a new tire. This one's a little past ball time. Gotta take wide turns with it. So we quickly learned that the snow bike does not do good on the track. It doesn't turn on the corners. The bowl turns for the pit bikes are way too tight. Braxton's enjoying the heck out of it though. He's over there ripping it around on the field. The other pit bikes are doing good on the track, and then we got Drew and Deanie and Jared. We're all doing some drone flying, of course.
So if I'm going forward, I'll go positive, collective, then I'll go forward, push. But then when I'm upside down, I'll roll the negative push. So now you're a negative push. Now you're like a positive push. If you just like left it neutral, you know, I don't know. It'd be like that.
Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. This is Jared. I've got Braxton from 3Cs. All the boys in the background, thanks for coming out and riding with us today. If you guys find the video fun, please subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot of fun stuff coming up this summer. We're just waiting for all the snow to melt, so enjoy the day. Have a good ride.